Another daily tip, having and fixing plaster walls is a huge pain in the There's only one guarantee in plaster. It will never look as good as the day they installed it. You will always have cracks. Here in Minnesota, our houses are already settled. This house is 125 years old. Why do we keep getting cracks like this? Well, because we have days where we have 80-degree swings in temperature. Houses expand and contract here in Minnesota. There is no way to stop that from happening. You can't come in here, drill a couple holes, cut this out, put some adhesive behind there, tighten it in, finish it off, and expect it to not move. I know for a fact this house will continue to move, so I combat it with extreme stretch. With me using extreme stretch in here, allows this space to keep moving. It's going to happen anyway, so if I put something like mud on here, it's gonna crack again, and we're gonna be doing it all over again. This will not crack. Once this is cured, I'll come in here with a little bit of mud to kind of feather this off, prime and paint the whole wall. You may not like how I did this, but it works really well. And that's just the way the cookie crumbles.